Students are the most important aspect of every course across any university.
When I came for the open days, they were so enthusiastic, they were so encouraging that it really made me want to study the science here.
My favourite thing about the wildlife and ecology and conservation course is the fact that it has a lot of microbiology aspects to it and also a lot of field work.
Definitely got to be the placement opportunities. We've had quite a lot of experience in the local hospitals and in the university hospital health boards.
All of the practicals we get to do, we're always doing something. It's not all theory. It means that we can have hands-on experience and actually understand what we're learning.
The labs and facilities really solidify the course material that we're learning because they are not only state-of-the-art, but they're also really easy to use.
The crime scene house, the chemistry biology labs for the forensic practicals. We saw the labs and immediately fell in love with the place. We have amazing support from our lecturers.
The advice that you're given is very personable, so it does feel really targeted and helpful.
And they're there for us in a pastoral and academic way, and that really makes the course worth it.
I think that is really beneficial for us because it means that we're not just struggling on our own.
Come visit us, come see us, come talk to our students and not just the lecturers. Get the vibe of the place. I think that's the best thing to do.